Okay, we can start. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for being here. I know it's the last day and we're getting close to closing up for the event. So I really appreciate you all being here. So today we're going to talk about sustainability within the data center facility realm. Brett introduced the topic earlier on in his introduction. We have initiated a sustainability work stream within DCF. And what we've done is we've presented that to the incubation committee, and it was well received by them. And after this summit, we will be moving forward with starting off regular meetings, et cetera. So what I'm going to do today is go through the draft charter that we created. And I want to give a shout out to a few people that helped support developing that. Brett, Madhu, Rob Coyle, Mark Dancy, Cosimo from Alpha Laval, and one of my colleagues at Google, Noah Goldstein. So really appreciate all the support that everybody's provided and the enthusiasm surrounding the sustainability work stream. So, why is sustainability important? And, you can read the reasons up there. But the most important being, we want to be responsible with our resources. And as industry leaders, as hyperscalers, we need to set an example. And that is part of the reason we are starting this effort under DCF. So this is an effort under DCF sustainability facilities. So you all know that sustainability was launched as the 5th tenet at OCP. And the initiative was also launched yesterday by Rob Coyle. So what we are doing is the initiative is going to be an umbrella organization that almost feeds down the requirements to the various projects under OCP. So under DCF facility, we will be running the sustainability effort that's going to be aligned with the sustainability initiative. DCF sustainability will focus on decarbonization of the non-IT related facilities infrastructure. Brett did a good job of describing what DCF's focus is, and we will be closely aligned with DCF's focus as well. And then Brett also mentioned we had a very successful Tech Talk series on sustainability in May. And part of this effort is stemming from the success of that Tech Talk series, where we identified a need to bringing the community together around sustainability. What we want to do is we want to engage with industry partners, and we want to collaborate and innovate within the sustainability space so that we can help accelerate our path to net zero. We all have these goals that we want to meet by a specific time, and if we don't collaborate and innovate within the space, I fear that we're in danger of not meeting those targets. So we will be developing technology roadmaps, and we would be providing guidelines and specifications to help get us there. These are some of our goals, and I have a very interesting panel discussion after this, seeing that we are getting close to my time. I'm going to rush through this to make sure that we can get into the more interesting part of this discussion with my guest speakers up here. But we will be covering all realms of sustainability, as you can see up here on the slide, including all the emission scopes, water sustainability, energy efficiency, circularity, recyclability. So I see these as being potential work streams under DCF sustainability. So initially, we'll start off with 2 work streams, sustainability, technology, and innovation, and then metrics. And we'll try and align our innovation and tech roadmaps with the metrics to make sure that we provide a cohesive strategy moving forward. In scope and out-of-scope activities are listed here. So any data center non-IT hardware technologies would be in scope. Out-of-scope activities, I want to highlight that we are not going to be developing new metrics. What we will be doing is we will be aligning with metrics that are already out there and providing some cohesive direction as an industry group on how we want to, or what we want to align with and how we want to get there. So first steps that we've identified is develop a white paper for sustainability and metric implementation, and then also develop a technology roadmap. And here are some opportunities we have listed. There are a lot of opportunities, and this is not set in stone, so looking for the community to contribute to providing input towards these as we develop. So the call to action is, from now to the end of the year, we'll be developing this work stream. We'll be identifying goals for next year. And I'm looking for participation. I'm also looking for a co-lead to help lead this. So if you are interested, please reach out to me, Madhu, or Brett. We'll be really interested in having you participate or even lead a work stream.